Mark, thank you. Last night, Tennessee Governor Bill Lee addressed the state and pleaded with Tennesseans to wear masks, but said he will not enforce a statewide mask mandate because of how those have been highly politicized this year.
Bianca Murray listened in on a call the governor held with the media this afternoon where he maintained he will not implement a statewide mask mandate.
Governor Lee said that Tennesseans are at war with COVID-19 and one of our only defensive weapons is wearing masks. Today I spoke with multiple county mayors about what their mask message will be this holiday season.
Oh, I think if they're instituted locally, they have more compulsion, people would have more compulsion to wear. So I've encouraged mayors to do that. Masks work. Mayors need to say masks work.
If the governor does not extend local county mayors' authority to extend their mask mandates, Washington County Mayor Joe Grandy says his hands will be tied come November 30th.
He's looking at local government to make a decision whether or not their community needs to have this type of requirement.
Grandy says he expects the governor to extend that ability to the county mayors who do not have an independent health department, like in Sullivan County, where Mayor Richard Venable expects to extend the mandate into the new year.
New Year's Eve will be one of those holidays that 2 weeks from that point in time we can expect another surge. And it's certain, it's not speculation anymore. We can plan on those surges unless we have a significant change in our behavior.
Officials agree one such behavior change will be to limit gatherings to 10 people and to wear masks when out and about.
I think we're still seeing the effects from Thanksgiving gatherings, and now Christmas is upon us. So capacity in our hospital system continues to be really, really critical.
A fear shared by Venable.
I don't want the day to come that someone will arrive with COVID symptoms and we say you've got to go to a neighboring city or county or whatever to get treatment.
Sullivan County Mayor Richard Venable also added that he will be meeting in the next day or so with other mayors across the county to get their input on a potential mask mandate extension into the new year. He will be recommending the extension of the county mask mandate that is set to expire on New Year's Eve. For now in Blunteville, Bianca Murray, News Channel 11.
Tonight, Hawkins County Mayor Jim Lee, who's currently recovering from COVID-19, said the governor has taken it upon himself to burden county mayors with the authority and the decision about mask mandates. He said he thinks masks help control the virus, but he said when it comes to life, it shouldn't be a debate over if it's my constitutional rights to a mask or if I'm under a mandate to wear a mask. These are his words. Just wear the masks, he says. I shouldn't have to tell you this. I shouldn't have to mandate this for you.